Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Agarwal Sahab, esteemed Professor, esteemed Pro VC, Professor Padma Kali Banerjee, Professor Nagpal and other distinguished dignitaries of this prestigious university. My colleagues, Professor Akbar Hussain from AMU, Professor S.K. Srivastava from Haridwar, Nikki ji, Shraddha ji, distinguished participants and students. I am very happy indeed. In fact, Seligman, as a president of APA in 1998, he started with learn helplessness to optimism and then turning to what you call it positive psychology. It is like that most of the old people, they talk of spirituality, they talk of happiness. Why this? And the youth, they say this buddhi vilas and this luxury we can't afford, because they are something else. They want yavat jive sukham jive trinam kratva ghratam pibe. And thank God that we have got internet, thank God that we have this and that, and that's why we fall in prey of impulsivity and many kind of things. So things like that. And my area of research, one of the areas, though it has been on emotional intelligence, spiritual intelligence, happiness and whatnot, before 1998, and I have been writing on these things, and I had a direct contact with E.D. Diener. I used to call him earlier Diner. I don't know who is Professor Lunch, but then anyway, so I had interaction with him for many years, and he published papers in my own journal which I was editing, Indian Journal of Clinical Psychology, official publication of Indian Association of Clinical Psychologists. But I was very happy that something like positive psychology emerged. But I am very happy that beyond positive psychology, a positivism has emerged in the world. And we are struggling very hard for 2 years. And I struggled for 6 months to understand this concept. But thanks to our founder, President Ashok Chauhan, he has such a magnetic power, not anything, but at a conscious level, that I can understand the concept of positivism. I am coming to it because, as Professor Agarwal rightly said, that sometimes it is taking like Yamamoto, who gives the example, that it's like a blind man touching elephant. Positivism. But now, since we are working for this, and our future conferences will also be relating this, and now we are radiating this positivism in Amity universities and educations and in the world. In fact, I would say that Amity University education is the result of founder President Ashok Chauhan in 3 things: mission, vision and now positivism. Though 2 we were very much aware of, mission and vision, but now in fact everything is swallowed under the single concept, positivism. Under the guise of positivism you may talk spiritualism, under the guise of positivism you can talk happiness, under the concept of this you can talk positive psychology, but I am going to tell you what is our wavelength and what we are going to do in that. So many our youngsters, they say positivism is not our cup of tea. It is for the grey-haired persons. And for last, it's very good, very interesting. But then I don't know, this is my hunch and this is my hypothesis. They say we cannot afford this buddhi vilas. This intellectual luxury. We want something. No, they may not think like that. But what I find is I have a taste of positivism in this prestigious university. I feel sorry for not coming this university earlier. Why? Because this university I found 3 S and 3 C's. And that is what I was working on. And 1 C is actually simplicity. We can see vice chancellor, pro vice chancellor, and it is not customary and unusual. Unassuming is the most important personality trait. Unassuming. So simplicity, first S. Then another is sincerity. Simplicity, sincerity, and spontaneity. 3S, along with 3 C's also, commitment, challenge, and control. I'll be referring to it in afternoon session. So I found that कोई हमें जाने क्यों, जाने तो पहचाने क्यों, something very different, very simple. अगर अच्छा लगता तो आ जाओ, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं. No marketing, not that way. We are very. So I like that kind of thing. Anyway, so in fact, we were talking about, Sigmund Freud said that human beings are libidinal. And then you talk Durkheim, he says human beings are social. He also explains suicide also in terms of social obligations, and we have Freudian and neo-Freudian. But now we talk, everybody talks of, we are spiritual. In fact, I myself have written, you can go to Professor Google and see, I have written the editorials in the journal, which is most unlikely in Indian Journal of Clinical Psychology, that is EQ, SQ, spiritual quotient, which has nothing to do with religion. It may not. And many times I found persons who are less religious, they are more spiritual. So, and the third thing is, the last editorial I wrote in 2002 was GQ, God quotient. And they could locate what is the God spot. It has nothing to do with that kind of God which you are visualizing, but if you are honest, sincere, no duplicity of behavior, not the other 3 C's we were talking about. I think my friend was talking in something else, manipulation. But we say, we lawyers, they talk of, to be successful, 3 C's, convince, confuse, and corrupt. That kind of things are not uncommon. But anyway, be as it may, we find now we are talking spiritual. Actually, many old people talk of spiritual. Why? इसके लिए एक शेर है छोटा सा, कौन किसको दिल में पनाह देता है. अपन कहते हैं ना, थे तुम्हारा कालजा का टुकड़ा हो. कौन किसको दिल में पनाह देता है, पेड़ भी सूखे पत्ते को गिरा देता है. हम वाकिफ हैं दुनिया के इन रिवाजों से, हम वाकिफ हैं दुनिया के इन रिवाजों से, अपने जाने के बाद अपना ही जला देता है, कौन किसको दिल में पनाह देता है. तो हम कहते हैं चाचा, इसीलिए तो आप ये बात कर रहे हो स्पिरिचुअलिज्म की, पर ये बात वो नहीं है. When sir, you were also there in Kurukshetra University, I was also in Kurukshetra University, and that time I developed a hypothesis, though I came with a Niemann's training and all that. But one of the important things which occurred to me that time was that deterioration in creative hobbies. Creative hobby, alcohol is not a creative hobby, smoking is not a creative hobby, or Nain Sukhata is not a creative hobby. What is creative hobby? Music, dancing, art and painting, okay, exercising, morning walk. Now we see more. So when you talk, there are, so many creative hobbies. And if you don't have any, then you are going to become emotionally insecure, sick, or you will fall in the prey of diagnostic categories. Why? This. And that is where I think in subconscious mind, if Seligman is hypnotized, then you will find that that is the basis. That from negativism, now you come to positivism or positive psychology. Let's not talk of drug addiction. Let's not talk of what happened to the university, this and that. अच्छे आदमी बुरी बातें नहीं करते हैं, और आपको इनकरेज भी नहीं करना चाहिए. हमारे बारे में, हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में कोई अच्छी बात है आपको कहना तो कहो, नहीं तो हाथ जोड़ लेना चाहिए. The point is, we have to what you call it, magnify plus points and minimize minus point. आपने भी स्टोरी बताई और उन्होंने भी बताई, मेरे साथ में एक्चुअली एक स्टोरी हुई थी. I used to go very regularly in what you call it, Mount Abu, once in 6 months. Brahm Kumaris I have seen there too. So CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force, and I changed its name, Chalte Raho Pyare Fatafat, and because of that there is stress. You see, aaj yahan aur kal wahan, and there is inferiority complex. Oh, IPS is great and we are nothing and all that. Anyway, so I had a friend. He knows Nasruddin Shah. He was a very dull student. And his friend, you know, Obat. So Obat is my friend, and I was going to meet him in the school, you know. There is one English school, Mount Abu, St. Mary. So I was going there with the same kind of things, well dressed, and then it was raining. I did not look. I saw a woman there coming. So my attention was directed there. That is what happiness I was thinking that time. I was looking there. So what happened, I did not see the ditch there. So I fell down. And I became horrible. And then she was laughing and laughing. I did not know her, but she was coming from Robert's house, hut. And actually it happened. And then this was happening. So but then, वो फिल्म नहीं आई थी मुन्ना भाई, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. So what I did, I was with this shape, I was going, and then trucks में जो लिखा रहता है ना, थोड़ी distance रखो. So I kept away from for just some distance, you know. And then I told, I don't know, madam, whether you know Hindi or not, but I present something in Hindi. Then she was smiling, and I said, वो कम वक्त हमारे फिसलने पर मुस्कुराते हैं और हम हैं कि उनके मुस्कुराने पर फिसल जाते हैं. Sir, I am not a biotechnologist, nor I am a forensic psychologist, but a common sense which is most uncommon, and that is where you get happiness. You don't get happiness by too much of preaching, too much of dressing, too much of masking, too much of ritualistic. It comes spontaneously, naturally. Best way of meditation is not to meditate and still you relax. Can you tell? I tell. That is the best way. Not that you keep your head down and legs on the top. That's not there. You are not meant for that. Because best you can do is not चिंता. और अपने नाम पे यहाँ ज्यादा लिखा लीजिए चिंतन. There is a lot of difference in चिंता and चिंतन. All बीमारीज are because of less चिंता. So we should have चिंता. Now I have very limited time, and then I will not take more than 10 minutes, and I worked very hard to explain you objectively, empirically, and directly, and with no confusion of what positivism is. Because I myself have suffered with this for 6 months to understand what this concept is. So today I am going to tell you what it is, and I think all of in the world we will tell. Even I got a letter from Antola. She was that time president of Indian, American, what is that? Positive Psychology Association. And I had an opportunity to meet her in IIT Delhi, you know, and say you will have a tough time and people will not accept. I have a tough time because I don't say psychology has sacrificed mind, psychology has sacrificed consciousness. It no longer is a psychology. Then what it is? It is behaviorology. So you know what's with the word? It changes with the time. So similarly, positivism, don't go with August, Kant. I was pronouncing it as diner, now it is not diner, dinner. So today one Dean who has come from our university, now he is here, very nice, he told it is not Auguste Comte, it is Auguste Kant, N, not M. So Auguste Kant. Actually, what I found is that what he has said and what others are saying, and there is a lot of things on the net, and you will find so many things about this, but actually what we understand, the Amethi University Rajasthan Declaration and what we have understood, and still we are working. We are not here for Buddhi Vilas. Certainly not. We are here to give you tips, trade secret, how to be positive. Because best way of, if you are fallen prey of positivism in practicing, actually practicing, then you will find that there will be no drug addiction, there will be no quarreling, there will be respect for elders, and then sky is the limit. And here I am going to quote Abdul Kalam, what he has said, and how that thing is connected with our program. Jaipur Declaration 2010 for Positivism focused that positivism includes healthy and positive attitudes, constructive behaviors, positive self-orientations, a state of calmness, harmony, and the satisfaction necessary for an active, productive, personal and social life and overall well-being. ये spelling गलत है. AUGUSTE. Auguste Kant, historically originated of the positivism, failed in his efforts to develop an integrated broader view on the positivistic model of science, because the model emphasizes on the knowledge which can be attained through our senses and empirically tested. Actually, we are consciousness, spiritual consciousness and cosmic consciousness. So he was thinking that through naked eyes or through instruments, and that is all methodology of science, but that has gone wrong. And now we have nanotechnology and whatnot, and spiritualism, metaphysics and all that. So he has gone wrong. Tested broader perspective and knowledge go beyond sensory knowledge. Positivism is not only that much, but it goes beyond. But he also agreed that what is the purpose of knowing the truth? To make the world happy. Ultimately, he has also quoted that. Next. Positive psychology follows positivistic model of prediction and control, leading to general laws of positive behaviors. Measures of virtues and positive traits provide a limited information. My friend has given so many lists and saying that Seligman includes this and that and virtues and all that, and they have diagnosis also accordingly. But you will find that in our own Panchtantra, in our own Hitopadesh, in our own Gita, there is vast panorama of these good things in our own culture, and it is high time that we researchers work on that, because our own things are put in the different way. So actually, even if they have these categories and they are only emphasizing on operationalism, so limited information and has nothing to do with comprehend the quality. Qualitative research gone. All questionnaires are there, tests are there, factor analysis is there, multiple regression. You don't know the concept and you are talking about. It is exercise of frustrated psychologist, factor analysis. Because output is a function of input. And that's why I always appreciate management people, because they come with case history method. They give things in detail. So that kind of thing. You cannot try that method in our positivism. You can try with positive psychology, but we are different than them. And you will find in years to come that these things are emerging and coming up, and people take time. So virtues and traits are qualitative dimensions. New facets of positivism are reflected in enduring patterns of behavior, overt and covert both. Actually, we have written a book, Ashok Chauhan and myself. The title of the book is New Facets of Positivism, and you will find a lot of things in that theoretically. Next. Now let's come to this. This is very, very important for you and for students also. Positivism. I am not talking of jargons, let me tell you. I want to put things very, very straightforward and simple. If you have any objection, anything, queries, please ask. Positivism, as Amethi Declaration 2010 goes, it is a broader concept, encompasses all the dimensions of life, and aiming at enduring happiness and better quality of life. Positive psychology may be a component of positivism. ये तो एक पूंछ है हाथी की, positive psychology and positivism, and you will find that if actually we are working as a mission and we are very honest, because for all good new things people have oppositions and natural tendency is negativism that oppose it. ये क्यों आया? ऐसा इतने दिन कहाँ रहे थे? भाई रहे थे जहाँ रहे थे, इतनी तपस्या कर रहे थे, अब निकला अभी है हैं? ये सवाल उस्तादों को नहीं पूछा करते कि इतने दिन कहाँ रहे थे. So maybe a component of positivism needs to be differentiated with positivistic model of science. Positivism demands a new model of science. Tentatively, it may be termed as eclectic model. You know, we talk of Gestalt. Behaviorism तो पिट गया. Cognitive therapy नहीं, behavior therapy पिट गई. And your Skinner, late Skinner, he is not surviving. And you have seen the breakup of Russia. And he was saying it will go better. When he wrote a book, Beyond Freedom and Dignity. It sold like hot cakes. But you have seen still America is there, only single nation. So actually in human being something else. Your own, your freedom, your leverage, your views and all that. I am not against to him. But now we have from cognitive therapy, behavior therapy, we have what? Cognitive therapy is CBT, and we have also humanistic psychology. We also have existential psychotherapy. Different new viewpoints are there and like that. So it may be termed as eclectic model where qualitative, ethnographic, case studies and it needed even experimental method which may be combined to understand the processes involved. It's not a joke. Positivism is not a joke. Positivism is not simply a positive thinking. Positivism is not only a positive mind. It is much, much more than that. So our canvas is too big. And let's see how we can do it. We'll do it. Not one or two persons. The entire Amity University, all university, they are involved in it and it will come out next. आगे चलिए. Positivism is both a theory. Remember, theory without experiment is blind and experiment without theory is lame. So both are very important. So positivism is both a theory and practice at the same time. Theory will clarify the concept of positivism drawing from Indian texts particularly. The main attribute of theory of positivism will be its practical utility. Suppose some spouse say to her husband, your mouth stinks like rotten egg and you are going to have a cancer. It is written there, but still you smoke? Oh madam, you are very right. मैं पूरा commitment करता हूँ. I will not smoke. And still he fall in prey of smoking. This is the, unfortunate thing of attitude research. It has to be executed. Many people talk, I am positive, and actually what happens, it is wishful thinking. But in practice they don't do it. So we have to start on this. We need to develop and research on some tentative ideas on positivism. Still we are at infantile stage. Let we admit our ignorance. In due course, perhaps it will be a part of our future conferences on positivism every year on 6th, 8th August at AUR campus. Some people laugh. Every year. International conferences are once in 4 years. So what? You have a convergent thinking, but we have a divergent thinking. And all good things have come out from divergent thinking, that is creativity and geniusness. What Albert Einstein said was not accepted. He was a very poor student. Now people talk of his brain and what not and so on. Now look at, चलती का नाम गाड़ी है. हो गए तो बहुत अच्छे हो, नहीं तो absurdity. In fact, absurdity is sign of geniusness. To some it is absurd, but to others it is something different. Yes. So next please. Present observations of students, faculty and employees of AUR campus and the commitment of the founder president Dr. Ashok Chauhan and other officers at AUR has given enough expressions. This I wrote when after end of the two conferences, not now. It was written much earlier and still it is there because if there are some offshoots here and there, that is not important. Given enough experience to develop upon the concept of positivism, which may be called at the outset, Ameti theory of positivism. Ameti theory of दुनिया देखते ही रह जाएगी, देखते ही रह जाओगे क्योंकि हम इस पर काम कर रहे हैं. This communication is limited to promoting positivism in youth. This much for making you explain that something you have to do practically, and it is more than positive psychology, because you cannot overlook what he says, spirituality, cosmic consciousness. And there is a very good write-up every day comes in Times of India, Speaking Tree. And if you read it, you will become wiser about the concepts of positivism. Also, I am having the books published by Times of India and also reading that. That is one of the reasons for contributing Times of India, not for good analysis of politics. But this is because of long time. Speaking Tree, it is wonderful. Maybe it is for senior citizens, but then sometimes it is for all citizens. Age is not a bar. Next. Now I come to Kalam. आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा इसने क्या लिखा है. Dr. APJ Kalam, former president of the India, writing message in our ICP 2011 souvenir, positivism वाली बात है, observed that in sciences there is nothing like impossible. In 1895, Lord Kelvin, the then president of Royal Society, declared that anything heavier than air cannot fly. But 1003 Wright brothers made their world's first successful aeroplane and demonstrated the first power and sustained heavier than air human flight. Thus, impossible has been proved to be possible by a positive mind. This positive mind can be called manifestation of positivism. When he is writing, it makes the sense. Next. Positivism in life is one of the most important things youth need to practice throughout their life. The only problem is that a lot of people think they know what positivism is, but instead they are really practicing wishful thinking. हवाई किले बनाते हैं, है ना, कुछ तो स्किज़ोफ्रेनिक हो जाते हैं और कुछ हो जाते हैं, दुविधा में दोनों गए, माया मिली ने राम, कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. That is not positivism. Positivism in life is more than just something you do when things go wrong or when you try to correct a situation. It is a way of living. It is a practice. It is a technique that one needs to incorporate into his or her daily life. If one has any intentions of changing things or accomplishing his or her goals, you can't suddenly start and then stop when things get better. It should become a lifestyle of psychological functioning. Next. Positivism requires that you get rid of all your negative thought patterns and create a new belief system. Here is an, तो वायरस बहुत लगा हुआ है, बहुत वायरस है. अब हम ब्रह्म कुमारी ठीक करती है या कोई और मेथड ठीक करता है, यूज करो. डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एंटीवायरसेस आर अवेलेबल, बट इट हैज टू बी क्लियर. आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट और फेवर ऑफ एनी system, but I not to judge but to observe, and you try which is the best. Here is an example of what some people think is positivism. A person may lose their job and then says, oh, I know I will get a job. I am just going to take my time and I will get a job soon. That is being optimistic, but it is not necessarily incorporating positivism. Optimism and attitude. Positivism is a frame of mind. Remember, as she rightly asked, what is happiness? I am asking, what is positivism? It is a frame of mind. जहाँ की रही भावना जैसी, प्रभु मूरत देखी तैसी. So simple. Frame of mind. That is being a frame of mind. Positivism is a frame of mind that gets results. Our founder says, you cannot get out of success. Success तो लाना पड़ेगा. इससे क्या हुआ? जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? देखे. सक्सेस तो लाना पड़ेगा. आपने ट्रेनिंग लिया, एमबीए किया, यू हैव डन एवरीथिंग, जब तक प्लेसमेंट नहीं तो बेकार है. रिजल्ट्स और 100% योर प्लेसमेंट विल बी देयर इफ यू हैव डिटरमिन्ड टू हैव to be placed. So result, in order to develop this frame of mind, you need to train your mind. अब आ गया, अब हमारे पे सब पे जिम्मेदारी आ गई. वो कहते किया क्या? Train your mind, not have simple attitude. It must be in practice and executed behaviorally. Behavioral science पढ़ाते हैं सबको. It is compulsory, but fellow doesn't know how to behave properly. बटन बंद नहीं है, बैठता तो टांगे हिलाता है, लड़ाई झगड़ा करता है, शराब पीता है. What is the good of behavioral science? What is the good of behavioral science? We all have failed miserably. सप्लीमेंट्री भी नहीं है हमारे पे, इतनी बुरी हालत है. हम साइकोलॉजिस्ट को पढ़ाने वाले. एक्चुअली यू फाइंड दैट better job is done other than psychologists because they are result oriented. MBA people, I always appreciate them. अरे टेस्ट देखेंगे, रिलायबिलिटी देखेंगे, वैलिडिटी देखेंगे, आइटम एनालिसिस करेंगे, तेल बेचेंगे. अरे उसके बजाय तो एक्चुअली यू हैव द वर्क एंड लव, यू डू सर्वे एंड व्हाट इज द बेस्ट, व्हाट इज नॉट. विद इन नो टाइम यू गेट द रिजल्ट एंड इट वर्क्स. नेक्स्ट, अब देख लीजिए आप. नाउ यू हैव थ्री थिंग्स, negativism, realism and positivism. What is that? If you have negativism, it will never happen. What Seligman call it? Cognitive triad for depression. पास तो बेकार था ही, अब कहां से अच्छा होने वाला है? हैं? जो बीबी है वो तो छोड़ के जाने वाली है, फ्यूचर में मिलेगी नहीं. इसलिए डिप्रेशन है. सो ये रियलिज्म, यस इट कुड हैपन. बड़े अच्छे प्रोफेसर, इट कुड हैपन. अरे कुड क्या होता है? लेना हो तो लो, नहीं तो मत करो. यू गो टू फाउंडर, यस इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. दैट इज पॉजिटिव, इट विल हैपन. नोबडी कैन ऑन अर्थ स्टॉप इट. नेक्स्ट, हाउ इट इंक्रीजेस सेल्फ एस्टीम. 5 बातें छोटी छोटी लिखी है. अब आप, our MBA students, our psychology students, our hotel management students, why not they take simple topics and work it out? And we compile and we decide conferences. That is, practice positive on daily basis through writing good. Actually, I started doing this for my own clients, and I say I don't want to hear your problems. कि इधर दर्द है, उधर दर्द है, वो जिससे प्यार करता था वो लड़की छोड़ के भाग गई, फलाना हो गया. अरे भाग गई तो क्या हो गया, और मिल जाएगी. भागना तो है ही, वो भाग गई तो है ना. लड़की या लड़का, प्लीज आई विल नॉट बी मिस्टेकन. और मुझे कोई कोट करे तो मेरे तो रिटायर्ड आदमी हूं, मेरे कुछ भी नहीं है. आई हैव नथिंग टू ऑन एंड नथिंग टू डिसऑन. लेट मी टेल यू वेरी क्लियरली. सो गुड डे डायरी, आई से चाचा डोंट से एनीथिंग. अच्छा क्या किया है? वो कह रहा, जैसे खुशवंत सिंह कहता है, गुरुद्वारे में नहीं जाता. क्यों? वहां बूढ़े बैठे रहते हैं, अपना रोना रोते हैं. कहां जाता? जब कुड़ियां अच्छी होती है वहां जाता हूं. The point is, wherever you have Naina Viram, wherever you have nature, all this. So first thing is, write good things every day. Not that only, but I pay respect. I went to the library. So 5 marks. So how many marks you have? 6 good things you have done. So your score is 30. See that tomorrow your score should increase. You will find a change. Absolutely change. This is one. Then don't let your conversation turn negative. ये बड़ी ब्यूटी है. आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, थप्पड़ मार दो, पर गुस्से को पी कैसे जाते हैं? कई बार होता है ना, लेडीज या जेंट्स फिर कहते हैं ये तो आदत ही होती है इनकी, हैं? इस बार तो गड़बड़ है, और जगह तो अच्छी है, यहाँ तो गुस्सा कोई बात नहीं. तो एक्चुअली यू आर वेरी क्लेवर. वो कौन सी चीज है खुश करने की? देयर इज अ वेरी गुड वर्ड इन हिंदी, यू कॉल इट परचितानुरंजन. पर मानी वो उसके विंग्स नहीं, बैठ के. पर मीन्स दूसरा, चित्त, दूसरे के दिल को अनुरंजन कैसे खुश करें. अरे कुछ तो लीजिए, काजू पिस्ता बादाम. फिर तो वो आपके हो ही जाएंगे. मैं जाता हूं, मैं तो देखिए मल्लम डॉक्टर नहीं हूं, कलम डॉक्टर हूं, पर मल्लम वाले मुझे हर वक्त देते, डॉक्टर साहब आप भी लीजिए. मैंने कहा क्या है? ये नेकलेस आया, साइकेट्रिस्ट को दिया, आपकी वाइफ को भी आप ले लीजिए. अच्छा, हम लोग बड़े बड़े अच्छे वो देते हैं ना, क्या कहते हैं, व्हाट यू कॉल इट, ग्रीटिंग्स और बढ़िया से बढ़िया लाते हैं, और फाउंडर के लिए तो और भी लंबा लाते हैं, बड़ा लाते हैं। एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस देन, यू ऑलवेज डोंट गो विद द नेगेटिव थिंग्स, ऑलवेज गो फॉर द पॉजिटिव। उसको रोक लो। सबसे बढ़िया स्पिरिचुअलिटी वही होगी कि आपने बदतमीजी करना छोड़ दिया है, मतलब निगेटिविटी छोड़ दिया है। देन थर्ड वन इज look for positive in those around you and point it out. This way you can encourage a positive attitude all around you, and soon positive thinking will engulf your life. So radiate positivism. This is the word of our founder president. Radiate, radiate. अच्छे खासा कपड़े पहन के आओगे, मुस्कुराओगे, हैं? आजकल तो बहुत मेथड्स आ गए हैं अच्छे बनने के। यू ट्राई, इवन आई फाउंड मेल्स आर गोइंग टू डेकोरेटर्स एंड व्हाट नॉट। तो कोई बुरी बात नहीं है, पर ये नहीं कि भाई बाल लंबे कर लिए और रबर बैंड लगा लिया और कुछ और कर लिया। दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग। यू हैव फ्रीडम। व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज यू शुड बी प्रेजेंटेबल एवरीवेयर, इन योर ओन होम एंड आउटसाइड। ड्राइंग रूम में जाओ तो प्रेजेंटेबल तो हो भाई। सेंस ऑफ ड्रेसिंग, सेंस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। ह्यूमर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कोई सरदार जी नहीं है तो एक उनको अग्रवाल साहब वीसी साहब बने बैठे थे तो उनको कहा सत श्री अकाल, तो लाद पास में प्रोवाइस चांसलर भी बैठे थे कि आपने हमें तो कुछ कहा ही नहीं। आप भी बैठे थे नागपाल साहब जो, हमें कुछ नहीं कहा। तो उन्होंने क्या कहा, कॉपी टू ऑल। तो बड़े खुश हो गए। What I want to say is, if you don't have humor, you are useless. ह्यूमर तो होना चाहिए। जब कोरा खाना खा रहे हो तो बटर नहीं तो क्या मजा है। ह्यूमर शुड बी देयर। What I mean? No, I am saying you not as a professor of psychology or anything, or dean or anything. I am telling you very spontaneously, childlike but not childish. Very important. Whatever you are doing in your day-to-day life, always look for the good in it. वो तो हो गया। Fifth, never let yourself become distracted, है ना, or hoodwinked into going back to negativity. It takes time to change the way you feel and think, and if you have been down on yourself and the world for a long time, then your new outlook will take a while. Register. So you have to have a set of mind. You should be prejudiced. You have to be set कि चाहे कुछ भी हो। रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर बचन न जाई। नाथावत मीन्स यथावत, हर वक्त वैसे ही रहना। कौन से में पॉजिटिविज्म के लिए। सो डोंट चेंज योर सेल्फ। नेक्स्ट, actually I got my retirement. I was visiting professor at Chandigarh. Then I got a project also from UGC, and the topic of UGC also I took it the same thing. Not positive or positive psychology. I call it PsyCap. कई तरह कैप लगाते हैं ना आप। अब जैसे अपने सीएम है उत्तर प्रदेश का, उसकी कैप अलग है। हर एक अलग अलग कैप लगाती है, कोई टर्बन लगाता है। ये दूसरी कैप है। What is that cap? PsyCap. And PsyCap is, Rabindranath Tagore's words are very good. एकला चालो, go all alone. भगवान भी बहुत तेज है। उसके पास जाओगे, हे हनुमान जी आपकी पूजा करी, ये करी, इतनी सारी अंगूठियां लगा दी, मुझे तो जबरदस्ती डाल दी है किसी ने। शायद बोलता ज्यादा इसलिए। जो भी कुछ हो, लेकिन भगवान के पास when you go to God और उसको कहोगे अब तब भी मेरे को जॉब नहीं दिया, तभी मुझे वाइस चांसलर नहीं बनाया, तो वो क्या कहेगा? वो चिड़ी की दुग्गी देगा और उस पर लिख देगा आई हेल्प दोज हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स। The beauty of the God is He never helps. He helps those who help themselves helping. That is the. So I got this PsyCap kind of thing, which has 4 dimensions. Luthans. Year 2002 they have given this concept, and positive inquiry, you might be aware, it came in 19. So actually there is enough panorama of these concepts here and there. We have to put all together in a new outlook of positivism. So self-efficacy, optimism, hope, resiliency, EQ and hardiness. Hardiness means 3 C's. Commitment, challenge. Commitment means जैसे यहाँ कमिट कर लिया, चाहे कुछ भी हो, लड़के के शादी करने वाले हों या कोई बर्बादी करने वाले हों, हमको तो यहाँ आना है। कमिटमेंट संकल्प, हिंदी में बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है, संकल्प कर लिया। अमेठी में आ गए तो संकल्प कर लिया। आपसे ज्यादा पैसे देते हैं, अरे सब आप आ जाइए आपको 2 लाख दे देंगे। मैंने कहा प्यारे 2 लाख नहीं 2 करोड़ भी दोगे तो नहीं आएंगे, क्योंकि संकल्प जो है दिस इज संकल्प, कमिटमेंट। क्लास में पढ़ाना है, तैयारी करके जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, प्रॉपरली करना है। यू कैन चीट एनीवन बट यू कैन नॉट चीट योरसेल्फ। एंड दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ माई गुरुज गुरु। एंड हु वाज माई गुरु? ए.यू. वसावड़ा। एंड हु वाज हिज गुरु? कार्ल यूंग, जिसको बोलते हैं गलती से जंग और फेल भी कर देते हैं उसको, कार्ल यूंग। दे यूज्ड टू हैव अ कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन एवरी वेडनेसडे, फ्राइड, यूंग एंड एडलर। तो फ्राइड सेंटेड देम आउट, दोनों को। फ्राइड said only one thing, the libido. They said, no, there is something else also where you get out. So that kind of thing. Anyway, so PSYCAP, self-efficacy. Bandura has done a lot of work and it is known as self-confidence. आधी बीमारी तो आपकी तभी हो जाएगी, आप किसी को क्या ठीक करोगे? आपके तो गियर छिटके हुए, दूसरे गियर कैसे ठीक करोगे? पहले अपने गियर तो ठीक कर लो। अपने गियर ठीक करना मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस, नॉट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस। इतना भी सिंपल नहीं कि लोग आपको टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लें, थोड़ा सा होना चाहिए कॉन्फिडेंस। सेकंड क्या है? ऑप्टिमिज्म। आई थिंक वी विल टॉक इन आफ्टरनून। ऑप्टिमिज्म एट्रीब्यूशन स्टाइल। यू नो, व्हेन यू आर ए फेल्योर, what you take, when you are successful, what you take. Then hope. Person who gave the concept hope, Snyder, he is no more, he passed away in 2006. Hope, he said, you should not have goal, you should have focus. You should not have aim, but you should have a goal, which is achievable. So hope means not hopeful or optimism, but you fix the goal and then you don't leave any stone unturned to achieve it. What strategies you follow. Then resiliency. Resiliency means bouncing back in adversity. And good example of resiliency is Japanese. You have seen tsunami? So resiliency means bouncing back in adversity. And EQ we have touched upon, hardiness we have talked about. So the point is that if you have positivism, then what will happen? You will also develop PSYCAP. Next. आगे चलिए. Next. Now look at. So I will be telling about this, and this is also very connected. PSYCAP, not social. भाई सोशल तो आपको कोई पसंद है, दे आर विद यू आल्सो, लेकिन वो तो हार्वर्ड चले गए, आप अकेले रह गए. फिर कहते हो फेसबुक पे देख लो. फेसबुक पे तो तस्वीर तेरी दिल बहला न सकेगी, तुम तो चली गई वहां. तो फिर क्या करें? तो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज social what you call it social capital, that is, and then physical capital, money, dhan, that is also not permanent. आपने जुआ खेल दिया, आप आउट हो गए. गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ कर दिया, फिर हो गया. So money is also not permanent. Social situation is also not permanent. What is permanent? This human capital, which we call it in management, actually now it has come known as psychological capital, positive psychological capital. अगर वो आप में आ गई, वो कैसे आएगी? पॉजिटिविज्म से आएगी. So that kind of thing. Now this is the last advice, which is very interesting. They need to work energetically and passionately towards what they believe in. Dream high and believe. As I am going to be there. They must focus on their strengths and let their light shine. Don't talk of negativity. मेरे में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ कैसे नहीं हो, 6 फुट के और लगे हो बड़े सुंदर, यही बहुत अच्छा. हार्डवेयर तो ठीक है, सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं तो क्या हुआ? At least you are presentable. Sometimes software is good but hardware is bad. So both ways, you know. तो ये कि इसमें बड़ा अच्छा कोटेशन मुझे लगा. ये किसका है? ये विलियमसन. Our greatest fear is not that we are inadequate, but that we are powerful. Not insecurity, but security. That is our fear. Beyond measure, it is our light, not our darkness, that frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented and fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. And as we let our light shine, we consciously give other people permission to do the same. Thank you very much.